All right, so today I want to show you how to create a very simple, healthy, yet inexpensive vegetarian dish where the main ingredient is just a can of beans. And you can use any kind of beans. You could use kidney beans, black beans, chickpeas, white beans, black beans, any type of beans. And with just a few simple ingredients, you can make a very delicious but simple, healthy, and inexpensive vegetarian dish. Let's get started. So we're gonna use an organic can of kidney beans from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna use this Kitchen Mama can opener to open it up. A great tool, by the way, to have from Amazon. And off it comes, as easy as that. One of the best can openers I've ever used. And then we want to use this colander to strain it and put it all in this bowl right here. And here is my bowl of kidney beans, and we're going to set that aside for a bit. Then we take one whole onion, we're going to peel it, cut it up, and saute it in olive oil, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. This is going to make it nice and yellow and also spicy. I actually call these beans, or this bean vegetarian dish, fiery sweet beans. It's called fiery sweet beans. And this is why, because it's both hot and spicy, and we also have honey in it as well, but we'll get to that in a second. And there they are. And now we want to take a pan, add some olive oil to it, as well as some cayenne pepper, and some turmeric. Move it around a bit. Mix it up together. There you go. Turn on the heat. Add your chopped up onions. And we're going to saute these onions. And then we take these sauteed onions and we add them to our beans. And there you go. Add a little bit of olive oil. Add some honey. So now the beans are both fiery and sweet. And then we want to add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. One, 2. Just a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And then you just mix it all up. And there you have it. I like to call them fiery sweet beans. Fiery sweet beans because it's both fiery or hot and also sweet. You can enjoy this with rice, on top of yellow rice that I made a video on before. You can also enjoy it with some pita chips. Chip. Oh. Wow.